Yeah, so I don't know how far we so let's just say we're 5 minutes in. Then it'll be able to like literally pull up the video for you at 5 minutes and say, yeah, this is exactly where you should watch, and it'll start playing automatically. And that'll make it easier for you guys to just like, instead of like running through idiot videos and trying to find out where you should be getting help over the next sessions, you will be able to just ask the AI. So pretty excited about that. It'll come in the next update, along with the fixing the whole verification thing with the code, right? So in this lesson, so let's talk how we're gonna do in this lesson.
Yes. So in this lesson, we are focusing on how to actually structure a prompt. So last time, we just did some prompt examples for you, like how to bake a cake, and Dallas even went in and he edited a picture with Michael Jordan with a cake. But what most people take for granted is that when you're telling the AI what you want, you say how to bake a cake. That AI does not have all the information that you have in your brain for context. So what I mean by that is, you in your brain might know that, hey, well, this is the size pan I have, or this is how many eggs I have. All these little details, the AI don't know that. The AI have the information from the internet, yes, but they don't know the context. So, prompt engineering is when you give the AI as much context as possible so that they could give you an answer closest to what you're looking for. Because the AI's job is just to complete the task and give you an answer, but in order for it to give you what you're looking for, you need to give it context. So in this session, we're going to focus on that.
Nice. Okay, so I'll stop sharing for now. Stop sharing my video for now and jump straight onto the screen. So you see we already have ChatGPT up. And a couple things about prompt engineering is we have to give the AI a rule. So for example, and this, we don't always need to do this, right? But when you start getting into trying to get a particular result, especially if you're trying to help you in business or give you specific advice.
Or maybe even at home. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So, or even at home, wherever the AI is helping you, you want to have it able to understand the context, as Shara said. So the first thing we do is we give the AI a rule. So, for example, let's say
gardening. Yeah, so we're going to give the AI the role of a gardener.
Okay, so let's say you're a professional.
Or if you want to say landscaper.
I'll just pick gardener.
Okay, yeah.
You're a professional gardener who is
in the Caribbean.
Yeah, I was glanced. Yeah, so is great at planting Caribbean-based crops.
What do you call that thing when it is, have this process where you could take flowers and you could like nip them early or nip the buds or some kind of fancy thing like that, and then they could bloom more. It's not oh gosh. And I have a similar process that is to with fruits. Like you could cross-breed some fruits and so like that.
So cross-pollinate?
Not cross-pollinate, but oh gosh. The word slipping me. But we could tell it, you're a professional gardener who's great at planting Caribbean-based crops. And okay, yeah, you could give some examples there.
Well, I'll build on it, right? So we have the rule. So you're a professional gardener who's great at planting. Right.
It's called grafting your plants.
Yeah, and I'll bust my brain to try to remember the word. Yes, because I wanted to tell me how to graft, let me say, Portugal and an orange.
Okay.
That's what the AI is telling me how to do.
Okay. Okay, so we say that it's great at planting Caribbean-based crops. And we want to give it a goal now, right? So we give it a rule. Now we want to give it a goal, which is what Shara said. I want to learn how to graph orange and what, Portugal?
Yeah, orange and Portugal. And I want it on the sweet side.
Okay.
Mm.
Orange and Portugal.
It make it a giraffe, yes? That's small thing.
No.
Yeah, it might understand. I don't know how to spell graph. I see somebody put Graffe.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah. I don't know how to spell it either. Let me Google it.
Right. So, okay. So we're given it a goal, right? And the goal is that we want.
Grafting.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Nice, nice.
What is?
G-R-A-F-T-I-N-G, grafting. Yeah, graft, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, right. So we have the goal. We want to graft orange and Portugal.
Mm-hmm. And I want this on the sweet side.
Yes, and we want it on the sweet side. So the next thing, and Shara is clearly already accustomed to giving the AI the additional context. So we touch on the rule, we touch on the goal, which is to teach us to graft orange and Portugal, but now we need to give the AI context. And context, well,
What, on the sweet side, maybe we have a chunky font here.
so we could say we want it more. I want it more on the sweet side.
I have a small front yard.
A small front yard.
My roof big, so it have plenty shade there. I don't know if the shade go affect it. And maybe they'll have snails.
Okay,
Yeah, yes.
extended roof. Plus we have a ton of giant. No, should I even just say snails? I said giant African. So that was context, right? Now, what this also ties into is constraints. So we wanna basically tell the AI what we're not willing to get as a result. So in this case, we could say
I don't just want it to pull up a blog for me. I don't wanna.
don't just pull up a blog or general info.
I want step by step. I want step 1, step 2. I want it to talk to me like I was 6 years old.
And this is what Shara talking about here is called the format. So context, we gave context, more information about what we want. Constraints, well, Shara said we don't want general information. But we also want to say what format we want it in. I want it in an easy step-by-step format for a beginner. We could say don't use complex jargon unless necessary.
Yeah.
Don't use
Complex language.
complex language.
Yeah, because I don't know any slangs. I don't know any gardening slangs. So tell it I don't know any gardening slangs.
Okay. Language or jargon. I'll put in brackets gardening slang.
Yeah.
If you need to mention something new, give a brief definition. Cool.
I just wanna interject here. If you just talking to the AI and all of this, you can't spit this up when it is you're trying to get something from it, that is perfectly fine. You could either give it an essay to really get an accurate response, or you could go back and forth with it. So this is the essay version.
Yeah, so and you'll get to realize where you don't need to give extra context to the AI, right? So if we just say, I want to learn how to graft orange and Portugal, it might spit out an answer for you, and you'll realize that a particular section and the way that they tell you to do it doesn't apply to you. They say you need a big open field for whatever reason. Then you can give it extra context and say, well, I don't have a big open field, and that is the back and forth way of going through it.
Yeah, so I think we can actually do it 2 ways to show them real quick.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have the constraints, we have the format. Now it has something called examples and quality bar. And I think that is more for other use cases. So for example, if I have an AI that I'm making to reply to my TikTok messages, then I would say when the user asks for the price, tell them the price and ask them for the WhatsApp phone number, which is what we did for our course. I would literally say, here are 5 examples of good responses, right?
Yeah, I agree, because some things, when it is you ask ChatGPT for, it really, like, it'll complete the task, but in its own way,
Yep.
So yeah, so in cases like that, you should really give it examples. I want to see what it says about this grafting thing, to be honest.
Yep, so let me hit send. And let's see what we get.
Put a straw in their hat, alright, okay.
So it went ahead and got us excited at the beginning. But the first thing it really did was made us understand 2 really important things before we get into grafting. It says grafting means joining 2 plants into one. Even though we told it what we're doing, it didn't assume that we understood that, which is pretty cool. Because even for us, we wasn't sure about what the word is, right? So it gave us that extra information.
Okay.
And it gave us an idea of what it says the scion is. The top part, it gives the fruits, it makes the fruit taste sweet. It gives it the sweetness.
I didn't know that.
So now we know. And this is, and get this right, it might not have explained this, hadn't I say anything that it thinks that we need to understand to explain, right? So it might have just like hop into it, and next know you thinking grafting is, I don't know, replanting plants. Yeah, you didn't know what.
Planting it in the same hole or something.
Yeah, then you would have to look out for context clues, but the AI, because of how we told it to respond to us, was able to give us
A little extra information.
right. So it says what you'll need, simple tools. It gave us a couple of tools that we need, which is really good. So we know what we need before we even get into anything.
You see it mentioned something and something, it will go up a little bit.
Sure.
Sun reality.
Yeah.
Press love sun. You see, so that good thing we might produce shade.
Yep. So it's literally telling us here, like, hey, like, if you're going to do citrus, at least find a way to make sure wherever you put it, it get at least 4 to 5 hours sun.
Yeah.
Right, it spoke about the tools. Best rootstock in the Caribbean, sour orange or rough lemon.
These handle heat pests and so right, because we talk about the snails, maybe that's why they mention the pests.
Yeah.
And weak soil well. Okay.
So it mentioned here that we should use
Sour orange or rough lemon.
yeah, or ref lemon because it handles heat pets and weak soil well.
Okay.
Not laughing at me, buddy.
If we tell we're a little tied up right now, some guy.
Okay. It says to pick the right time. I'm not going to go through every single detail. Prepare the rootstock.
But we see that do it step by step.
We saw that it gave us everything that we needed, right? And it actually gave us a lot of info here.
That's some good advice, flavor.
I don't know if it could, but I want to see if it could give us this as a document to download.
Oh, we could try.
Can you give me... I'm not sure if we could do it, right, guys? I'm not even sure. Can you give me this as a PDF or other document type so I can share it?
Ooh, it's a good thing to show them that we could share this chat.
Yeah.
Share it with the link.
So ChatGPT added 2 recent features, which is pretty cool. It's chat sharing and also chat group chats, which is good for brainstorming, right? So, and look, it gave us a document. It says your sharing document is done. So it did give us a document, which is interesting.
Fun? Is it actually gonna download or
It
just?
It downloaded it and then I had to open it. So yeah, beginner's guide to grafting sweet orange and Portugal citrus Caribbean.
Can I see what it looks like? You can open it.
I'm not showing it. Oh, yeah.
So, And look at the format and saying yes.
Guys, one of the biggest things you'll realize with AI is don't be afraid to ask for what you want and just see if the AI capable of doing it. I wasn't even sure. I mean, I'm so accustomed to just going with the flow that I just always ask for what I want, hope it, and seeing if it can get it. And if it doesn't, I'll just find another way. So it gave us a document. Now you can,
Long let us see if it have any. So them they have like the titles.
yeah,
and
snail protection. Use copper wire or tape, crushed eggshells or sharp sand, and night checks. Avoid using salt. Didn't say why, but that's okay. Yeah, it is. Yeah, so give us a guide here. I know we could literally share this with our friends, our family. Maybe you wanted,
Know how far we could push this forward? Not now, but
Yeah.
now it making me curious how far we could push the formatting part of it.
yeah. So that's pretty cool.
To show them how to share it as a link, share the chat.
Yes. So on the top right hand side here of ChatGPT.
Anymore.
Oh, right.
We will see the document just now.
Yes, because I shared on a particular tab.
Yeah, I'm sticking something.
Right. So from here on the top right hand side, it has a share button, and we can click share. And
You left clicking once.
yeah, you're left clicking the share button, and you can see we have copy link. We could share it to X, which was Twitter, LinkedIn, or Reddit. So we could just copy the link, for example, and
You can send that to somebody on WhatsApp.
yep. Ooh, oh, let me send it in the group chat. I'll send it in the group chat for you guys.
But what I use this for, if it is I have a conversation with ChatGPT or with Grok or whatever AI that allows this, and I want Dallas to see the conversation because there's a lot to explain, or I just want to make sure that I line up with what it actually said, that's why I use this. I just share the link and then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we didn't even need a document. We could have just shared the link.
Just share the link. And then you could continue the conversation with your own questions.
You could do that?
Yeah.
Wow, I did not know that.
I mean, we could test it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could.
Try it on your computer.
Yeah. Let me get the phone and let me do it. Let me put that on. 1 second.
Okay. Okay, so that's the first thing. We could actually share the chat itself. And we're trying to cover as many things as possible as we go along in the course, because we know that for a lot of persons, it's not just about being AI literate, it's about computer literacy. I think Shara is more equipped than usually ready to tackle computer literacy problems, whereas I might usually focus on getting the task done with AI. So you could see here that in the top right hand side with the 3 buttons, we could click start a group chat. And it asking us, it'll tell us what it's about. Let's click start group chat by left clicking on start group chat. And it gave us a link to send. And I'll share this in the same WhatsApp group. So heck, maybe you guys could join in, or I know you will be joining, right? You on WhatsApp on the computer?
Yes, I am. See it.
Okay, so you should see the link. So we're going to show you guys.
This is right. I'm gonna share a link here so that you can pull it up on your screen and see if you could continue talking.
Okay.
Am I-
So this is what it'll look like. I'll show you it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
This is what it will look like when we click the link. It says join group chat, and we could even set up our profile. I'll just click join group chat, and it'll continue all from where we started with the grafting oranges. So just to be clear, the group chat that was shared and created was actually for the current chat where it's...
What? That's what.
Sorry?
But I enter late. I forget to clean and all that. When I come on my phone, sorry about that.
Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Okay, so we have the group chat started, and you're in it?
in Project Mercury? Or in the group chat or not?
It's in Project Mercury group chat.
Okay. My laptop just moved, so
Oh, okay.
yeah, that's what.
So from here, I could send a message. I don't know what the difference is, how it will look like, but let's see. So I could say, what? Oh, so Shara is typing,
Ah, that's so cool.
and she said hello. So you can see in the difference now is it has the actual profile icon, and I could type now. I could say, what other plants can we graft in Trinidad and Tobago?
You know what is cool? That you're able to make an existing chat or group chat.
Yeah.
I thought like you would have had to create a brand new chat or something like that. I didn't know that you could have do that.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, boy.
I saw the AI typing, but it just so
Probably me. Hold on. To be on here. So, oh, what if I ask a question? Yeah. If I ask it, well, what
you make.
if I want the tree short? Let's see that. Let's see if it actually responds to that. Is it us you have to send it for?
Yeah, it looking like one person could actually there's only one the creator could actually make the AI make changes, which is interesting. Yeah, because it could say ChatGPT typing, but it doesn't work when Shara types. So I guess the whole point of it would,
I guess just to include somebody in the conversation.
yeah, it's just to really include persons in the chat itself. So you could talk about something while the main person who created the group chat is prompting the AI. So, which I guess would make it good for not having the AI doing a million responses and getting confused between who the person is talking to. So yeah, so that's really it for the group chat. Now we could touch on a couple other things, and for now, for the next couple lessons, we just want to give a broad understanding of AI in general, and then we'll try to get into really specific use cases. What we'll do is we'll have votes happen in the community, in the group chats on WhatsApp, and then you guys.
What would you like to know? What would you like to know about AI?
Yeah,
Remember, this is a free 44 weeks?
yeah, 44 weeks.
Free 44 weeks program, and the point is to make you guys literate in AI, which means that you should be comfortable using it on your own. So if there's something that you would like to do on your own with AI that fits into the garden, yeah, sure, why not?
So we'll do polls in the group chat.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, and you guys would be able to like literally say what you're looking for. You don't even necessarily need to do a poll with the poll. You could just literally type in, hey, next class, could you guys cover a little bit about this? And if it makes sense to cover in the next class, then we'll cover it. If not, we'll put it into a cover, well, like a memory bank that we could come back to later.
Can we show them how to generate an image? We showed them how to edit an image. But let's say they want to generate one.
Okay.
They could do that on Grok as well, Grok, like, they do that a lot. Okay.
So we covered editing an image before, but starting from scratch is something we didn't cover. And
Grok could turn it into
how we did it. So we could say generate an image of a cat on the
We're not seeing Grok, eh?
on the
moon.
On the moon.
Yeah.
And it's floating away because of low gravity.
And I wanted to hold a piece of bread in its hand.
It should be eating a piece, holding a piece of bread.
Yeah, hold my piece of.
It should be holding a piece of bread in its right hand.
That's what I said.
And have a shades on because of the bright sun.
Oh, okay.
So this more or less the same way it goes for editing images. The only difference is just starting from nothing and giving it all of the details. So this is put the sun in the BG instead. BG is background for short. So I just say put the sun in the background instead of the earth.
Yeah, I type background. I know you hear.
Yeah. So it taken a second. So guys, this is again good for so many use cases.
Mommy, for mommy birthday party, I did a flyer and I turned it into a video. We could do a birthday party flyer. Or like a little food sale. Caribbean people always do a food sale.
So Shara was talking about her mom's birthday recently, and she didn't want to go in and edit it in Canva or any editing software. So she literally, instead,
I gave her the details.
Yep,
So
gave you details.
I literally told it make a birthday flyer for me, and I collect what she like.
Yep.
What color? Theme.
So you can start a new chat and try that out, right? And this could edit words and stuff, right?
Yeah.
You use Grok for that?
Yeah, I was impressed.
So I could say, help me plan a flyer for my mom's
I'm not seeing the chat on that because
birthday.
Yeah.
I use ChatGPT to plan it.
okay, alright.
Ask me all the important questions one by one, and then create a plan. I will be given this to an AI to generate a flyer after. So I basically tell it that we're looking to plan the flyer for our mom and to ask me questions one by one, so that we can give this to another AI to actually create an image flyer off of it.
I seen it at the bottom there. It was asking me to choose what type.
Yeah, pick one that best fit on describing your own words.
Let's show.
Elegant.
Yeah, sure.
So it's elegant but partially casual.
Okay, yeah.
Right, so just because it gave us that we wanted elegant, but we know that it's going to be kind of casual as well. So, you don't need to like literally choose exactly what's there. You could type in and give it extra
Like
context.
a person, yeah. You can talk to like a person.
So I'm gonna hit send. Question 2: floral, black and gold, pastel, tropical, vintage.
Let's try floral garden.
Floral garden.
Where is it happening? At home.
Yeah, let's do at home. But we are decorating. So I said it's at home, but we are decorating. And guys, I told it to ask me the questions one by one because it's so much more manageable. And all of these things, even if some of you guys are already accustomed asking AI for stuff, like you could see here how you can make your workflow make sense. So this matters a lot. Tone and content, an invitation, a celebration, a keepsake.
An invitation.
Okay, I'll just copy it here. An invitation.
Yeah, let's do that too.
Yeah, and send.
I asking us which response we prefer.
Yeah, I'll just choose the first one and continue.
Yeah. Most times I just do that too.
Who's the flyer for? Adults. I'll take family.
Yeah, and close friends.
Kids are mixed ages, kids included. Or just family and close friends.
Yeah. Because I want to really send a child a flyer.
True. So family and close friends. So Shara thought about something, even though it might have kids there, the kids mightn't actually look at the flyer and she doesn't want that to influence the design. Is this a milestone birthday or a regular birthday? Milestone?
No, regular birthday.
Okay, regular birthday. Do you want your mom's name to be the main focus?
Yes.
Yes. I'll just put a filler name for now.
Yeah, sure. Sasha.
Put Sasha.
Buru.
Sasha Budu, okay. Give me the exact Specifics exactly. Okay. The time and the date.
I'll see you Saturday, February. Yeah, just take that in. Take that. Take that in our base up.
So Saturday, February the 15th, 2026.
Yeah.
Um,
For 9 p.m.
at 5 to 9 p.m. Dress code, elegant casual.
Yeah.
RSVP, WhatsApp.
Yeah.
So basically, they're asking us how we want people to confirm that they come in, and we suggest saying via WhatsApp. Parking, gift, bring your dish, outdoor COVID precautions, love.
Bring a dish. Yeah.
Bring a dish, yeah. Bring some food. All anything for free. Figure that.
Okay.
Send. You're not Chinese.
I like my money. If I eat it, I eat it. I eat it. Hello.
Since it's floral, elegant casual, do you want it to be lean more light, airy pastel?
I feel like there's a lot of questions.
You find so?
Yeah. Oh, salesman. I just honestly, me, I just like, boy, I want a flyer for my brother's birthday.
You see, this is Sarah is them people who just get bad results from here.
Hey, I come up and go with it like 13 questions.
Any images, icons you want included?
Yeah.
Balloons, champagne, flowers,
Cake, some balloons, yeah. All of the above.
all.
All.
Everything. What format or size preference for the flyer?
I don't think there's not so much question.
We get into. We could say a letter size or WhatsApp.
Yeah.
WhatsApp square or
I'm gonna be watching this on my phone.
so a square picture or like the long one.
That's like what, like 9 by 16?
No, we could say letter size or square.
Letter size.
Letter sized.
Why I keep suggesting square? Is it that square the right answer?
Well, when you open an image on WhatsApp, no matter how you send it, I can't remember. Actually, I'm not sure anymore. But
We should just.
square is just a standard. Do you want it to feel? Alright, that's enough.
You see what I mean? You see what I mean?
You good here?
Like,
You good here?
Since-
Make it. So, right, make it. I just gotta say make it. Make it a detailed prompt
I mean, is that paragraph?
for an image.
What paragraph to just
Generate
taste and Instagram?
a simple paragraph.
Like when I do this thing for mommy, I take like what 10 minutes. I didn't want to think too hard, you know. I
Yeah.
just wanted she to like it, you know.
So we copy in this.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go back to Grok and paste it in, and let's see what we get. So flyers, guys. Now
We're not seeing drop that.
for a birthday,
Maybe
Yeah.
even a funeral.
a funeral, if you want to help somebody,
Sasha.
I like the second one.
I like the first one.
What?
Yeah, I
Okay.
like the first.
All right. I find the contrast hard on the first one. Like you can't really see the text,
Uh,
but okay.
well, I don't like the black in the second one.
Whatever.
Sure.
All right. So we have two versions. The flyer gave us two versions. I'm sure I like the first one, and well, I like the second one. And
We could make it a video.
we could even make it a video, which is cool. So we could click the play button here, make a video.
Yeah, you're left clicking it once.
Yeah, you left click the play button, and it just doing it.
You can even edit the image. So that you
Yeah.
can tell it and
So we could have
so it's like 2:00 to 1:00, put it as like 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Like you can do all that.
So the guys like it have cool stuff with AI that where you can literally click around and edit like Canva. But this is another level where you don't even have the option to like click and edit the text. It's more like
Look at that. Look.
and look at this.
What I would admit is if it is you already create the video and then you want to edit it, the quality does drop.
Okay.
But look at that. Mwah.
This is absolutely amazing.
Dog, it say at home. 5 to 9 p.m. at home. Wow, we should have put an address, boy.
It is okay, man.
Where's home, boy? That's where the heart is.
Right.
That's what.
So
They look very nice, eh?
Yes. So you can see the video in full here. It have audio? No? Okay. Sometimes at the end, it'll actually put audio, which is interesting. In this case, I'm not hearing anything. But yeah, it have audio. I don't know if you guys hearing it, but there is audio, which is pretty amazing. If we go back to the chat too, we could try to turn the second one, my favorite, into a video.
It's a video. And they could download this too, the little download arrow.
Yep, and we could click make video. And we could see it. It's generated. This one has a video now. Now we could have given it instructions to generate the video. Not so, right? We could have done that.
I did not try that.
Okay.
So I don't want to say for sure.
Again, guys, Sharon and we take the approach of assuming the AI could do everything for us and then being proven wrong. Because with that approach, you realize AI could do a lot for you. Like, who would have thought to ask for the AI to make a flyer? Probably not a lot of people. So
Ooh, alright. It look nice. It look nice. You look moving and saying alright.
and then if we want to download, we could click the tree.
Model at the bottom right hand corner. Sound. You're not seeing any anymore. Alright. What was the three dots then? Ooh, look. At the side of make video, at the bottom of the screen, yeah, at the
Oh yeah, look, it's
Yeah.
there. So we could download. And it's downloaded here, and I could actually download the other one as well. From right here.
yeah.
There's a video. Oh, okay.
There's the
Thank God.
picture, so
All right, that's okay.
can that be shared? So, for example, TikTok. That's a question you have from Isa.
Yeah. I mean, it's just a video you download, so you could literally, if you're on your phone, hit download, and then go onto TikTok and upload it.
No, it's literally just a
It's just a video.
phone,
Yeah.
So it's just like any other video.
So you see the download button. Well, what that we clicked. Once you click download, you could just upload it to TikTok like any other video. So I'll send this in the WhatsApp group so you guys could see it. Attach video.
We're not seeing it.
Oh, well, yeah. That's what. That don't matter.
I'm bottom for you to see anyways.
So I'm sharing the video to WhatsApp, guys, and I will share the image as well, the two images, so you guys can remember what's possible. Download and download. So let me just pop that into WhatsApp, attach photos and videos, the last two, open, send.
Someone's
So-
natural about you, neighbor.
Yeah.
Affected neighbor.
Yeah, boy. So as you can see, well, if you guys will see it in the WhatsApp group, but this is an example. Anybody who didn't join, I wonder if they might take me through that birthday party. Yeah, we should say something.
Yeah.
Oh, this is just an example, not a real birthday invite. We made this, but yeah. Like some people messaging us, hey, when is the birthday party?
When they go shop, like where?
At home.
So,
Okay, so that was an example of generating like a flyer image.
I think they're amazing. I run like that. The results, you know.
Yep.
very nice.
Yep, that's pretty cool. So and guys, like let me say for example, you said Isa, wasn't it?
Yeah, I saw it in Isa.
Okay, cool. So let me say we want to generate an image to show off the classes, or like art classes that we're teaching, right? We could say generate a flyer for my art class.
I think Isa said hi.
Oh, hi.
Isa.
Stop.
Says that. Oh, yes, I see the robot. Yeah.
Okay. So generate a flyer for my art class. I charge 500 per month. Keep it simple.
What age? Because it's
Say message for more on WhatsApp. The number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You say for here for students between
7 to 9.
7 and 9 must sign up with adults. Yeah, I just hit send on, so we're not going to go into as much detail as this, but someone only in the meeting, I'll just, let me mute this.
Yeah, you can have them all. Classes day.
I'll just mute it for you guys because we want to, because we're recording it, we want to keep the audio as clean as possible. So this was, we need to give it more flair. I see it did Spanish.
Boom move. They do a nice one. I want it to be colorful. I want it with a paint.
Make it colorful.
I want that
Add
child to hold it. Me paint.
Paint brushes.
I want she jump to
Show
hold it.
a Caribbean. Go holding and jumping with it.
Imagine if it is put it like a skipping rope and she jumping, eh?
We'll see.
Oh, go down there. Allow me now. Please. Please.
So it did the first example, which we didn't like, so we just started to make it a lot better. Whoa, this was interesting.
Yeah, it's better. It's much better.
So you can see where it made some mistakes. And this is why, and guys, this is a prime example of a very simple prompt generating and not so good result, right?
Yeah. And why keep putting it in yeah, that's not just English.
Yeah, it doing Spanish and English. Maybe it know that we have Venice in the country. So
Disrespectful, no, it's disrespectful. Offensive.
So yeah, but this is
It's in English.
make it in English and
fix the errors. Let me see what we go do if we
fix the errors. We just say fix the errors. Hope maybe the AI can, maybe it could fix it.
Maybe it knows what the errors. Maybe.
I wanna jump in after this to something else.
Yeah.
To kind of tease for the next class, basically. So yeah, it not doing so good this time. And that's because we didn't give it the best prompt, right? And this is what you can expect when you don't give the AI as much information as possible, right? So
I like the flyer.
well, yeah, it looked fine, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, it may some errors there.
But what I wanted to show you guys was so basically, guys, we went over generated images. We showed you guys how to create flyers and like
How to even turn it into a video.
how to turn it into a video. And by the way, guys, you could turn a regular image into a video, right? Like the cat one we did, you could turn that into a video if you wanted.
So in time, I would love for us to show how to fix those errors because like an flyer like that, right, is not something that's very common with AI is errors.
Right.
So to be able to fix errors, I think that's a big deal. Maybe not now, but sometime we could touch on it.
So guys, Shaw suggested, I think it's a good idea for us to go over navigating AI errors. And I think we can do it in different contexts, so images, videos, and just responses from the AI.
Yeah. And I hear this one.
Yep. Okay, that is amazing.
They kind of like cheese, boy.
That is absolutely amazing. So guys, it turned the cat into actual jumping on the moon, which is pretty cool. So I wanted to get into making mini apps with AI because I think touching on that, so this would be production ready apps. So like, let me say trying to make a website or a platform, it wouldn't be to do that. But you can make mini apps to help you out with certain things, right? Even games. So if I go over to, we could use Gemini.
Sure. But we're not seeing it.
We could go to Gemini. So Gemini is Google's own. And I just went on Google, well, in this case Bing, and typing Gemini, and the first link says gemini.google.com. So I'm going to go inside of it. I'm just going to make something simple for now to end off the class and give you guys an idea of what we could expect in the next class. So, I believe, oh, you know what? We have to go into Gemini Studio. Gemini Studio. So Gemini has a chat interface and it has aistudio.google.com as it And this is where you can actually make apps and stuff, like mini apps. So
I would make an app to track my habits or to help me have my exercise routine or maybe even a routine with the kids.
make an app to
Or clothes.
help
Washing
me.
clothes.
Well,
Sorry, but
how about we just make it a general app to help you manage your daily routine?
yeah, that's a good idea. That's
So make an app to help me manage
my daily.
my daily routine. We go in as simple as possible for this one, and in the next class we'll go into more detail about using Gemini Studio to generate mini apps.
I don't know if it's just me, but I not seeing where it's at that.
Oh,
Okay, now I see.
should I do that over?
Sure.
So guys, we went to Gemini Studio. Let me go back. We went into Google AI Studio, and on this page it'll ask us if we want to build an app, charters models.
We're not seeing. So we see
Yeah.
each page.
Yeah, each time I switch the page. So I'll click build AI apps, and I'll just paste back what I put, which is make an app to help me manage my daily routine as a busy mom. You know, it's a great app. Like you know, when you're having a baby, to track.
Pregnancy tracking.
Yeah, pregnancy tracks and stuff. That'd be cool.
I know I have plenty upside down, but I had one thing I remember that I wanted in it that I didn't have.
Yeah.
Can't remember what it was, boy. Okay.
So I go in right now, and now when you're building, I don't know how much of you guys here are from the AI coding course, but you'll see it's kind of the same thing a little bit, right? It's generating the app for us right now, and we could preview it. We could actually see the code and all the files it's making here. It's making a bunch of files, but not to scare you.
That wouldn't be production ready, as I said.
Yeah. We could go more into the apps as a later date, but this is what it came up with. I don't know if it's finished. It says it's done, right? So if I put this in full screen, you're seeing this, right?
But
Hello. So it says, "Hello, Mama. You've got this, Mama. One step at a time. Today's snapshot view full schedule, priority task. I am stressed. Wow, feeling overwhelmed. Get a quick 30-second tip. Wow, we did a lot more than we thought we would.
yeah, boy.
I don't know what this is. Mama's assistant. It put AI in it. Damn.
That's impressive.
Tell me everything that's on your mind, errands, appointments, kid stuff, chores, and I'll organize it for you. That's really impressive. I'm not going to lie. So, I think you could talk to it, but it said we could talk, but I'm not seeing it, right? So we could just try it out and just give it. So we're not seeing how we type in, which is fine. So this is an example, right?
This error.
It's not actually showing us how we type, right? Because of the color. And we could tell the AI to fix that. Let me see if we could actually fix it first before. The Mama's assistant text color is dark like the BG, so we can't see it.
So just to reiterate, that's something that is very common with AI is errors, especially when coding, as you guys would know, those of you who are in the coding course. So it's fine or it's normal to have errors, and I guess the skill there would be learning how to navigate errors or improve them.
Yeah. Now, AI Studio, for making these little mini apps, try to make it a little easier for you. But it's supposed to be slightly more done for you than if you're doing a full-fledged app or application. Like if, let's say, you want to make this app and you wanted to put it online and charge a subscription fee for it for moms in Trinidad and Tobago, then I wouldn't use AI Studio. But it is a good place to start because it does a lot for you. I wouldn't.
Or you would not.
No. So it says it's fixed it. Let's try again.
Yeah, let's see if it actually.
No, we can see it make it white instead. Nice. So it made it white, so now we can actually see. So I'm gonna say, I have a crazy day today. I have my kids' class party at 2 p.m.
Plus the clothes had to wash.
plus the clothes have to wash
Plus the whales had to wash.
in the morning for sure. For sure, and dishes are due for a tidy. What else? We could say, I have a meeting with success. Lunch kit.
I had to call somebody to cut the grass. I had to tell her
This
to cut
evening
the grass.
at 6 p.m. Plus, I have to call Dale to come cut the grass. I don't have cash at home though.
Oh. So I
So,
go and take that out.
I'll need to run to the ATM. Let's just see if it works. I don't know if it's going to work. This is the first iteration, but let's just say organize my day and see what happens.
No problem, Angel. Thanks for joining. You could join again on Monday and Tuesday next week.
Wow. It puts a 10 kids class party, high 2 hours, home wash laundry, 30 minutes. It said that it might take 30 minutes, tidy dishes. It literally made, wow, this will work. This is amazing. So it literally helped us organize everything here.
Even have high, medium, high.
It even have like how important certain things are. And I guess we could probably like go in and tell it to help us like change this most likely. And we could check off wash it laundry, we could check off stuff and it'll be marked off the list. So I think we could click clear done, so deleting what we already finished. Yep, and it'll come off the list. This is really well thought out. So and then we have your routine. So you can make a routine for you based on certain things.
I think it'll be better with apps that it already have, but like if it is we want to create an app that like never existed before,
Yeah.
we want to be creative. I think that is where we really see errors.
So if your goal is not to get paid and you just want to make something for yourself and it's something that probably exists already like this, it will do a pretty good job of generating it.
It's a joke.
If you're coming up with some kind of niche structure or setup.
Something creative. That's why you might get a setup problem.
Yep. So guys, that is basically it for this class. I hope you found it informative. We are still in the beginning stages. Things will grow and we'll cover a lot more over time. We're just trying to keep things as general in the early stages.
Because it is for literacy.
Yep. Trying to keep it as foundational and general as possible. So
If you guys know anybody who would like to know about AI, they're not comfortable with it on the phone, but they would like to, Isa said, very useful. Thank you. No problem, Isa.
awesome.
Yeah, if you guys know anybody who would benefit from these meetings, who has a question about AI, they're always asking the son, hey, how to use this thing, or you can help me with this thing. How, I don't know if it is I can use this remote for this TV, this battery. Send them, let them join the group chat. Thank you, Flash. No problem, Christopher.
Quick. I want to say one thing.
Yeah.
I have an app I'm working on, guys. Oh my lord! It basically you could share your screen with the app, and it will be able to guide you through stuff. So I'm working on that right now. I don't know if I could do it yet. I'm just trying. But it's looking promising. And basically, you can have your own private tutor AI that you could share a screen with, and it will be able to like you could say, "Will help me make a new document in Excel," and it'll tell you like how to use Excel, where to click.
It'll actually show you on the screen. That's what he's working on. That's pretty cool, boy.
So
Who here like, press the red button, and I hear like, I don't see the button, and I see. The AI will help you. The AI will point at the red button.
yep.
Yeah, so if that works, very good.
So we're working on that. I'm hoping to release it soon.
What other softwares are used to make apps?
So in terms of more on the production side, there's something called bolt.new. You can get closer to a production ready application with something like bolt.new.
You not see this.
It's just a lot more expensive, obviously.
Yeah, so it's
Um,
versus paid is
a lot of the quick stuff. So, guys, the more that the AI and the company does for you to make it easier for you, the more expensive it will be. In this case, it will be pretty expensive with Bowl.new. You start off at I think 20 USD, but you run out of credits pretty quickly, especially if you're trying to get a production ready app. But you can get stuff done, like you really can.
Bowl does a pretty nice thing.
And who knows, we might even there's a free trial or a free tier, with a little bit of credits. So we could even touch on that in the next class maybe, and that'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, why not?
Um,
It's 2 more minutes to go. Let's play our closing song now.
oh no, I'll put it on after. Yeah, there's too much recording now. So guys, have a wonderful evening. Have a wonderful day, guys. We will see you guys in the next class on Monday at 6 p.m. Please help us out. It'll be amazing for you guys to support by adding persons to the group, so that we could build this community.
Also, if there's something you would like to know, that would also help a lot, so we know what to cover in a section like this.
Yeah. Have a wonderful day, guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Thank you. We love you. Bye-bye. Mwah.